Good morning guys, I'm Ketban Magtao and today I will be teaching you guys how to find the derivative of inverse hyperbolic. So let us look at the problem. Find the derivative of x is equals to the arc hyperbolic cosecant times sin times 2x raised to 5. So first we should find the formula of the hyperbolic inverse cosecant, which is equals to 1 over the absolute u times the square root of u squared minus 1 times the derivative of u. Okay, so since we find the formula, the next step we should do is find the u, which is this. U is equals to sin times 2x raised to 5. The derivative of u is equals to 10x raised to 4 cos by 2x raised to 5. So this is the derivative of u. Okay, then the next step we should do is we should substitute the problem to the formula. So the derivative of f of x is equal to the u times the absolute value of sin times 2x raised to 5 times the square root of sin times 2x raised to 5 raised to 2 minus 1 and times the derivative of u, which is ten x raised to 4 cos x times 2x raised to 5. So the next step is we should simplify, which is 10x raised to 4 cos 2x to 5 over the absolute sin 2x raised to 5 times the square root of sin times 2x raised to 5 raised to 2 minus 1. So this is the answer. So the derivative of arc hyperbolic cosecant times sin times 2x raised to 5 is equals to 10x raised to 4 cos times 2x raised to 5. And that is all for my video today. Thank you for watching and I hope you have learned something new. And I hope to also see you in my next video. That is all. Goodbye.